Welcome back to Max Online class. I am very happy to see you. I hope you have learned similar triangle concepts. Now we are going to use the concept to prove one of the important theorem. The name of the theorem is Taylor's theorem or basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem or Taylor's theorem. This refers to the name of a person. He developed this theorem and his contribution is more about this theorem. That's why we call it this is a Taylor's theorem. He says that ABC is a triangle. Here, a straight line drawn. I am going to draw a straight line which is parallel to one side of the triangle. Okay, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. This is the statement of the theorem. If we draw a straight line parallel to any one side of the triangle, it divides the other two sides. Yes, this straight line which is parallel to the side BC of the triangle, it divides the other two sides. Yes, here it divides D, here E. It divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So how can we write AD by DP? This is the ratio. AD by DP equal to AE by BC. Okay, this is the statement of the theorem. Now we are going to prove this. AD by DP equal to AE by BC. So first we have to write the statement. This is 5 mark question, so they expect points one by one. If you write statement, you may get 1 mark. After that, construction worker and proof. Okay, divided into 4 sections. Okay, first statement. A straight line drawn. A straight line drawn, which is parallel to one side of the triangle. One side of the triangle. Okay, it divides the other two sides. It divides the other two sides in the same ratio. This is the statement of the theorem. Here I have drawn a straight line which is parallel to the side BC. So construction, what we did? Construction drawn BE which is parallel to BC. Okay, to prove what we have to prove, AD by DP equal to AE by BC. This AD by DP is equal to AE by BC. Okay, so using similar triangle concept, I am going to prove this. So you must know about similar triangles. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional and their corresponding angles are equal. Then we have learned 3 criteria, similarity criteria, angle criteria, side angle and side. 3 types of criteria we have learned for showing the two triangles are similar. Okay, so now I am going to say these two triangles ADE and ADE are similar. Okay, how do we say? So proof. First, I am going to say this triangle ADE is similar to ABC. Okay, so first ADE, measurement of an angle ABE is equal to measurement of an angle ABC. What are these two angles? These two angles are corresponding angles. Yes, because this is parallel to this one. So this angle E is equal to angle B. Angle ADE is equal to angle ABC. Corresponding angle. So angle ADE is equal to angle ABC. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay, like AED and ACB are corresponding angles. AED is equal to ACB. This is also corresponding angles. Then one more, DAE equal to BAC, that is common angle. Angle A is common. DAE is equal to angle BAC, common angle. By using angle similarity criteria, I am going to say the two triangles are similar. What are the two triangles? By using angle similarity criteria. Triangle ABE similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ADE is equal to ABC. Okay. So if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So corresponding sides AD by AD equal to BE by BC is equal to AE by AC. Okay. Actually, we are going to prove AD by BB equal to AE by BC. So here this AD and AB, BE, BC, AE and BC. So no need to take this DE and BC. This DE and BC. So ignore it. I am going to take 1 and 3. Okay. So from 1 and 3, AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. If you take reciprocal, so it becomes AD by AD is equal to AC by AE. Taking reciprocal. Okay, after taking reciprocal, it becomes this one. What is AB? This AB can be written as AD plus BB. This AD equal to AD plus BB and AC equal to AE plus AC. So instead of this AB, I am going to write AD plus BB by AD is equal to AE plus EC divided by AE. Okay, so if you split the terms, so how to split them? First AD by AD plus BB by AD is equal to AE by AE plus BC by AE. You can cancel this like this. So 1 plus BB by AD equal to 1 plus BC by AE. You know very well this one will be cancelled. So what do we get? BB by AD equal to EC by AE. If you take reciprocal again, after taking reciprocal, it becomes AD by BB equal to AE by EC. Hence it is true. Listen once again. The theorem is called the basic proportionality theorem or Thieves theorem. The statement of the theorem is a straight line drawn parallel to any one side of the triangle. It divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Okay, this is a straight line. It is parallel to the side BC of the triangle. It divides the other two sides AB and AC at B and E. Okay. So it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So same ratio in the sense it can be written as AD by BB equal to AE by EC. So now we are going to prove AD by BB equal to AE by EC. So using similar triangle concept. So first we are going to show these two triangles are similar, ADE and ABC. This angle D is equal to angle B because corresponding angles like angle E equal to angle C. And this angle A is common angle. By using angle similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. So after that, if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So proportional concept, AD by AD equal to DE by BC equal to AE by AC. AE by AC. Okay. Actually, we are going to show this one. So I ignored it. I took the first one and the third one. Okay. So first one and the third one. So here taking reciprocal. So after taking reciprocal, it becomes AD by AD equal to AC by AD. What is this AD? That AD can be divided into two. AD plus DB. So I have written AD plus DB by AD is equal to, like AC can be rewritten as AE plus AC divided by AE. So if you split into two terms, split in two terms. Okay, so you can written as AD by AD plus DB by AD equal to AE by AE plus EC by AE. This one can be cancelled. So finally we get DB by AD equal to EC by AE. If you write this reciprocal form, you can get the result. AD by DB equal to AE by AC. Okay, so hence the basic theorem. Now we are going to continue the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Converse of BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Okay. The converse of basic proportionality theorem says if a straight line divides any two sides of a triangle, if a straight line in a triangle ABC, a straight line divides any two sides AB and AC respectively in the same ratio. So AD by DB equal to AE by AC. Okay, to divides the any two sides same ratio means it can be written as AD by DB equal to AE by AC. Therefore, this straight line must be parallel to BC. Okay, so now we are going to say the straight line D is parallel to BC. In the main theorem we have learned DE is parallel to BC. If D is parallel to BC, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. In converse, they said clearly AD divided by DB equal to AE by AC. You have to show parallel to BC. D is parallel to BC. So this is given. This one you are going to prove. Okay, right. So assume the straight line DE is not parallel to BC. So what shall we do? So a straight line drawn, that is DF. This straight line DF is parallel to BC. You just assume. Okay. So DE is not parallel to BC. So I have drawn DF which is parallel to BC. DF is parallel to BC. If this DF is parallel to BC means using basic proportionality theorem, it can be written as AD by BB equal to AF by FC. I hope you understand. To hide this straight line DF is parallel to BC. Therefore, AD by DB equal to AF by FC. Consider 2. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2, both equations have left hand sides are equal. So right hand side must be same. So equating 1 and 2. Equating 1 and 2. After equating, we will get AE by EC is equal to AF by FC. Okay. So now adding 1 on both sides. If you add 1 on both sides, what do we get? AE by EC plus 1 is equal to AF by FC plus 1. It has denominator, that is EC. Doesn't have denominator. Actually, here the denominator is 1. Here also denominator is 1. You know that LCM concept. The LCM is EC. So it must be multiplied by EC. So AE plus EC is equal to. Similarly, FC is the denominator, which means LCM. So AF plus FC. What is the sum of AE and EC? Look at this. AE plus EC equal to AC. So AC by EC is equal to. What about AF plus FC? A to F plus F to C. It is also equal to AC. So AC by FC. Okay. So both have numerator same. So if you cancel this, what do we get? EC is equal to FC. E to C length, which is equal to F to C. What is that? E to C is equal to F to C. When it is possible means if F lies on E. I hope you understand. They said E to C distance is equal to F to C. How it is possible? Actually, I refer here. I notice F is here, E is here. But the condition we got EC is equal to FC. EC is equal to FC. When it is possible means this point F lies on E, then only it is possible. Therefore, F lies on E. F lies on E. Then only it is possible. Therefore, EC is equal to FC. Therefore, the straight line DE is parallel to BC, because I said DF is parallel to BC. DF is parallel to BC. Now I show DE is parallel to BC because EC is equal to FC. Therefore, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, hence the theorem. Here we have taken the result. have taken result of the main theorem and we have to prove the given. Actually, the main theorem is that BE is parallel to BC. We have to show AD by DB equal to AE by EC. But the converse part, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC is given. We have to show DE is parallel to BC. This is the converse part. Okay. So statement and construction here we construct DF which is parallel to BC because DE is not parallel to BC. We assume that. After that, DF is parallel to BC. Okay, DF is parallel to BC. Therefore, DE is also parallel to BC. Here, triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. We are going to show AB by AD equal to AC by AE, as well as AB by DB equal to AC by EC. These two results are constant results. Okay, so now we are going to show this by using basic proportionality theorem concept. So if BE is parallel to BC, BE is parallel to BC, then AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. Okay. So first proof. We know that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. So now, so AD by DB equal to AE by EC. If you take reciprocal on both sides, it becomes DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. Adding 1 on both sides. If you add 1 on both sides, what do we get? DB by AD plus 1 is equal to EC by AE plus 1. Okay. So here denominator is AD, here denominator is 1. After finding LCM, the LCM is AD and right hand side LCM is AE. So AD, the numerator is DB plus, it should be multiplied by AD. So DB plus AD is equal to EC plus AE divided by AE. So DB plus AD is equal to AB. So AB by AD is equal to EC plus AE. What is the sum of EC and AE? It is equal to AC. AC by AE. So hence AB by AD equal to AC by AE. The second one, we are going to show AB by DB equal to AC by EC using the same concept of basic proportionality theorem. This D is parallel to BC, therefore AD by DB equal to AE by BC. Okay, I have it here. So simply adding 1 on both sides. If you add 1 on both sides, here the LCM is DB and the AD plus DB is equal to LCM is EC, AE plus EC. Hence AD plus DB, sum of AD and DB equal to AB by DB is equal to sum of AE and EC is AC by EC. Hence, so AB by DB equal to AC by EC. These two results are very important. It may ask me in 1 mark questions. Actually, first one we have learned AB by AD equal to AC by AE. The second one, AB by DB equal to AC by EC. These are the possible results. When if D is parallel to BC means these are the possible results. So you may expect in one more question. So it is very important. Thank you. In next class we will solve the problem related to basic proportionality theorem. Learn both theorems. Theorem number 1 is main theorem. Theorem number 2 is converse of basic proportionality theorem. Learn the two theorems thoroughly and better write 2 or 3 times. Next video we will solve the problems.